go 011-732-3005. But for now, though, I want us to talk to the artistic hip hop guru, one of our very own lapa TMSPU. Abamazi Bamazi Barcelona, super talented young man. This morning I would say I'm told Budayam.
SBO 1575.
Budayam shafire kunjani?
Mane bathi into zamanje at the coolest level.
Enkosi Tata, welcome to EKFM once again. People are so excited by Babati Babusisile Gule Mpela Sonte Subuya Guyo. This week, what do you have for them?
Are you performing any? There are a couple of songs on the project that I recently dropped because I'm not in Pega Valente. My numbers are for Spotify. They didn't go that much, but maybe abanye abakhona ngokufikelela yabona, and I feel like as umphakathi they deserve to hear their message, and also the youth they deserve to hear their message lapha kulesa ingomanyana Z3 lapha ku-Casanova lapha. Before ngizobanikeza ama-visuals, at least siyadinga nawo ngama-students if you then bakhiphe i-visual eli-fresh lawa. It deserves
visually fresh, my brother. Okay, speaking about i-Casanova, abantu bayithola kanjani ingoma zakho? Kunabantu bathi hayi man, ngathi last week bavuke sekulate bayifuna le Casanova.
They just search artist ARTI.
Okay, bengicela uhambe nami ithi
ARTI.
Yes.
STIKS.
STRKL.
No, STIKS.
Oh, okay, all right. Bese bayathola ke i-Casanova lapho. Any song to be produced soon, mhlambe osebenza ngayo studio?
Yeah, I'm supposed to release a 3-song project. I-character intwana yasekahle. And also talks about the struggles there, how I came up, currently. I'm supposed to drop that. It's supposed to be in a month, food. But again, they're like, I'm giving them too much music. Let them digest it
and enjoy.
Yeah, so I'm just a little bit confused because of music. And imagine there are certain followers and certain people and are like, no, man, it's no music. And I'm like, but guys, I'm only mostly known by you. It's not like I'm that big out there. So they don't consider, the large scale of fan base and the exposure. They just wanna listen. But I love the consistency and the loyalty. It means
speaking about the consistency and loyalty, ufuna ukuthini kuma friends wakhe akuthathe from day one up until today, they are still supportive and support the music wakho.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi ngeke baze baphelelwe umoya bathi siphelelwe ithemba, and I'm gonna do everything I can as a whole journalist ukuthi ngikhuphe music alright, something relatable. And cook industry, I'm not gonna do music or abantu abasuthi, but I know there are true followers, the loyal fan base that is listening to me out there, and please bafowethu man, ngicela nihlale kanjalo. If niyofuna music ngingena choice ukuthi kumele ngikhiphe noma ngekho exposed that much for my loyal fan base, for my loyal people, I'm gonna do that. So keep music, angina choice. Abanye gonna catch up along the way, and it means a lot. I appreciate bafowethu man. Ngicela ningathinti nibekezele niphakamise kanjalo mntwana encane straight from me.
How do we find you on socials? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other socials?
Other distributing platforms, ne?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fresh. Let's start with the okay, let's just say TikTok because it's the most promoting profile platform currently. So it's @ARTI_STIKS. That's TikTok. at ARTI_STIKS at sticks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, at artistics. Then on YouTube, it's at STIKS_ARTI. So on YouTube is sticks_art. Then then on Facebook is artistics art. So it's at artistics, then space, then ARTI or art, art, obvious. Then on Instagram is at artistics official page. So it's artistics_official_page.
All right, my brother. No, I think we've got all the details we were looking for. Wish all the best in the future to come, and keep on rocking. And Paramisi Fred Lasekasi, we salute you, man. Thank you so much for your time.
Tango.
Hey, Tadaso.
Shout out to them.